Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and in today's video we are talking about the new Boat ROckerz 255 Pro Plus. We will be discussing what is new, how's the sound and all that, so stay tuned. Before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this earphone, you can head to the first link down below in the description. Starting with the video first, I would like to reveal the price of this so we can judge what we are getting. So the Boat ROckerz 255 Pro Plus retail price is 1400 rupees and sometimes you can get a lightning deal on this for 1300 rupees. Getting that out of the way, let's do a quick unboxing and see what we are getting inside the box. Starting with the design, these are quite similar to the previous generation Boat ROckerz 255 earphones, except for one small change, that is we have the multifunction controller on the wire and not on the neckband, and charging port is also on the controller. It would have been more convenient if this was on the neckband, but not a deal breaker. Talking about the overall feel of the device, it feels quite good. After reviewing so many Boat products on the channel, this feels better than their other products. I think they have started to focus on customer feedback. Anyways, talking about the build quality, it is looking good. I didn't find any build quality issues in the past few weeks, so I think it won't give up on me anytime soon. Talking about one of the most vital elements in any earphones or headphones, which is the comfort and fitting. So comfort wise, these are good. I was able to wear them for quite some time. Although the silicone ear tips are soft, what I would like them to do is to make them even softer, like it is on the Buds Wireless 2. But still, these will work fine. On the fitting side, I think no other neckband earphones can touch this. These have removable ear hooks, so once you wear them, it won't be easy for any jump or rope skip to take them out. I am using this in my running sessions and workout, and oh boy, they never took the name to come out. Coming down to the features, we have Bluetooth 5.0 with dual pairing, so we can connect two devices simultaneously, which is very useful feature these days. Suppose you are connected to your laptop watching a movie and suddenly you get a call on your phone, the earphones will automatically connect to the mobile device. Second, we get the basic magnetic buds, but this doesn't come with the auto on and auto off feature. Then we have the IPX7 watt rating, which is a powerful rating to see in these neckband earphones. And that's pretty much it for the features. Now there is no low latency mode or something like this, but still let's test it out and see what we will get. Here on the battery side, we have enormous 300 mAh battery on these, which is huge for any neckband earphone. And because of this battery, this earphones has the capability to serve us 40 hours of playback. This is true. I charged it 100% in an hour and then I got around 40 hours of playback at 60% of volume. So this is insane, right? One additional feature here is the ASAP charging. So if you charge it for 10 minutes, we can get a 10-hour of playback, which is pretty awesome. So overall battery life is amazing on this. If you're looking for any neckband earphones with humongous battery life, then you can look up to these. To control the media playback, we have multifunction buttons which can do all sorts of things like play, pause, change tracks, calls and use voice assistant as well. And with the help of these, we can also answer calls as there is an inline mic too. But how good is it? Let's find out. So this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Boat ROckerz 255 Pro Plus. Coming down to the most crucial part of any audio device, the sound quality. No audio product is good if it doesn't sound good. So thank God this one doesn't suck. We have 10mm driver which produces excellent sound. It has very good sound staging and very wide sound, so you will hear the separation between the instruments. There were a lot of details that I would have never heard if I was listening to the speakers, so it is good in that. What else this is good at is the bass. The Boat is known for extreme bass, which is much loved by us. So this one also has a good amount of bass, but the thing is that the bass is very deep and low. It goes below like 30-40 Hz, so all the bass glides and 808s are clearly audible. And it doesn't feel like there is only bass in the song, other frequencies are quite present as well. I've tested this on all the genres and believe me, I listen to a lot of BS and I didn't face any problem. So overall, if I sum it up, then these are amazing sounding earphones. It doesn't matter if you're listening to hip hop, R&B, rock, trap, pop, acoustic, everything sounds good on these. But what I would suggest is if you are more into bass heavy genres, then this would be a perfect match. You can listen to other genres occasionally. This won't disappoint you. But if you're solely into acoustic and pop, then this won't be the best option for you, as you would be paying for the bass which you will rarely use. So it would make more sense if you pay for more clarity and other frequencies. So you should be better off with the Oppo M31, review right at the top. Coming down to the price and my final verdict. So as I mentioned, these are priced at 1400 rupees, which is a great deal in my opinion. So if you ask me, I would say if you're looking for a neckband earphone with a lot of features, good sound quality, and most importantly, giant battery life, then this is a no-brainer. Go for it. And if you're still confused, please do let me know in the comments down below with this emoji. Also leave a like if you want me to compare this earphone with other earphones. But that's been it guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe, bye bye.